Well, it was a good feeling, first of all, to be here. It's really great because we can share with employer the victory. We can show also the car, and for us, it's really interesting to see the inside of the factory. And yes, it's nice. I think it's a really good idea. We need to do it, especially after the victory. For sure, it's really a nice way to celebrate the victory of Carlos and the victory of Audi, and just to enjoy the time to share our passion, our car, and to share the victory with the employer. I think to drive inside the production line, and we know that everything was stopped just to see the car, it's really impressive, and also for us to see the different level of production of the car, it's really interesting. Then it will be nice also if we have more time to visit by feet and to stay a little bit more to understand, but it was really interesting.